Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be looking into this, which is how to create Google Ads Manager account to manage client account. So it's going to be simple, straightforward, so let's quickly dive into it. So for you to be able to create a Google Manager account to manage client account, you have to go to the Google Ads Manager. So visit the website URL, which is ads.google.com/manager account, and click to create a new manager account. So after that, you have to use your business Gmail account or create a new one dedicated to client management. Then after that, you have to fill in your business name, your country, and the time zone. So these help Google customize billing and reporting correctly. So next thing to do is to select to manage other people's accounts. So if you are an agency or freelancer managing multiple clients, after creation, you'll be redirected to your Google Ads Manager dashboard, where you can view and organize client accounts. So to link client accounts, you have to click the plus icon, then link existing account and enter your client Google Ads customer ID. Then they will need to approve your request from their side. And after that, if your client doesn't have Google Ads account yet, click create a new one to set one directly for your manager dashboard. Then once linked, you can now manage but get campaign report and permission for all client accounts in one place. And that's how you can easily create a Google Ads Manager account to manage client account. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.